So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So we are entering into the last expiry of February now. So if we see the SGX first, so you can see probably a small gap down. So market is trading near 17,250, right? If we check the Nifty's futures chart first of all, so let's check the OI first and then we'll come to the chart. So if you see here, most of the position that has been made are shorts, right? Okay. So if you see the increase in the OI, so that's prominent here in the short side mostly. Okay, but still, if we see the technical chart, so market is consolidating in this range. As we have seen, from past 2-3 weeks, market is only consolidating in this range. So on the higher side, we are looking for 17,800. On the downside, we are looking for 16,850. So this is the range that market is trading. Until unless we get a breakout on either side, we don't going to find a trend as of now. So try to trade in this range only as of now. Okay, so let's go to the OI here. So if we see the highest call option is right now on immediate basis is 17,500. And then we can see on the 18,000 also. So 18,000 is the highest call as of now. On the immediate basis, we can say 17,500 is the resistance for the market. 17,300 is shown a very good addition on the put side. 17,000 is the, again, we have a good addition on the put side. So if we talk about the range as of now, so the smaller range we can go for is 17,500 and 17,000 is the range, right? Okay, but on a broader range on the technical chart, it's 17,800 and downside 16,850, right? Approximately that 1,000-point range. Now let's come to the Bank Nifty and check it. Okay, तो Bank Nifty में अगर हम देखें तो 36,800 ये मार्केट का सपोर्ट है और अपसाइड में 38,800. सो लॉजिकली 2000 पॉइंट का रेंज मार्केट में अभी बना हुआ है, इसके अंदर मार्केट ट्रेड कर रहा है. दैट इज अगेन अ कंसोलिडेशन इन बैंक निफ्टी आल्सो. ओके, सो नॉट स्पेसिफिकली एनी साइन फ्रॉम द फ्यूचर्स ओआई. ओके, बहुत रैंडम डेटा हो गया है अभी यहाँ पर, सो वी कैन नॉट क्रिएट एनी कंक्लूजन फ्रॉम दिस डेटा. So if we talk about the OI here, so 38,000 on the higher side, 37,000 on the lower side. So this is the range as of now we are looking for Bank Nifty. Okay, so this 1,000-point range and 1,000-point range in Nifty also, right? Okay, let's see the top gainers and losers last week. So we can go and check for the last day. So that's India Cement, Torrent Pharma and Coal India. And Ambuja Cement, Motherson Sumi and FSL are the top losers last week. Now let's go to the index contributor. So that's a mixed contribution again. So oil on the negative side, NBFC contributing the same. On the positive side, IT a bit on the negative side, and private banks on the same side. So on the positive side, same contribution. So that's a mixed contribution we can say on the last trading session. Let's see the built up on the sector side. Okay, so capital goods and private banks are showing bit of, that's not a good addition, but still there is addition on the long side. But on the short side, if you cement, auto ancillaries and IT are showing on the negative side, right? Okay, let's try to see some stocks here. So we'll do the same thing again. So we'll be putting some stocks on the negative side only. So let's try to find some stocks on the short side that just shown a short after the short covering. Okay, so we can go and see. So this is MFSL is the first stock that can go in a short, right? Okay, so this seems to be because it's showing a short and short covering. So we can go and check MFSL. Okay, so the stocks looks weak as of now from here. So we'll wait for the market to break this low, or at least this low, that is at least 835. If market breaks 835, then we'll go and sell the further market, because this bar is bit of indecision, right? Showing a bit of indecision, so we can go and create a short position only below this. Okay, so that's no long position since mid of January, so it's only short and short covering mostly. So the sentiment bit on the downside, right? So 860 call option showing a good addition, and 860 below, the stock is trading below that. So 840 is shows a very small addition, right? So no support as of now. So stock can fall at least till 800 level, right? So that is the target we can anticipate in this stock, right? Second stock we can go and check is Syngene, right? Okay, so Syngene seems to be negative here. Probably a bit less liquid stock on F&O side, but we can still go and check. Okay, so that's a consolidation, and then small breakdown here. Okay, so if we see Syngene, so mostly on the negative side, right? We have a shorts here. So that's yesterday. The last trading shorts was high, very high, right? So that's a breakdown with a good short. So that gives a sign for short. We can go and create a short position in this also. So no support as of now. So even the stock falls below the yesterday's low, we can go and create a short position, or any rise toward like 580. That could be a good selling position, right? And on the downside, we can at least anticipate very easily like 500, 520, 500 level on the downside, right? So MFSL and Syngene are the two stocks which is looking on the downside. Let's go and check the ban list. So PNB entered into this ban list. Escorts and Indiabulls are the two other stocks which are trading in the ban list, right? Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much.